If you've ever wanted to experience the thrill of ice climbing, there's no better place to start than Ouray, Colorado. This town isn't just a winter wonderland, it's the ice climbing capital of North America. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know for your first ice climbing adventure here in Ouray, from the history of the sport in this town, the best places to climb, what gear you'll need, and where to stay and relax after a day on the ice. Let's get into it. Ouray's ice climbing scene started back in the 1980s when climbers realized that the natural waterfalls in the Uncompahgre Gorge would freeze into perfect vertical walls of ice during the winter. As more people started coming to climb, the town decided to take things to the next level. In 1994, the Ouray Ice Park was officially created, making it the first man-made ice climbing park in the world. Today, the park features over 200 routes, ranging from beginner-friendly slabs to expert-level overhangs. The best part? It's completely free. That's right, thanks to donations and support from the climbing community, you can climb here without an entry fee. Ouray is a small mountain town tucked away in southwest Colorado, often called the Switzerland of America because of its stunning alpine scenery. With its quaint shops, historic buildings, and natural hot springs, it's a perfect spot for a winter adventure. If you're a beginner ice climber, Ouray is the best place to start because the ice is dependable and well-maintained. There are plenty of guided options if you want to learn safely. The community is incredibly welcoming, whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned pro. Before you set foot in the ice park, you need to prepare properly. Ice climbing is an exhilarating but physically demanding sport, so here's what you need to do. Get your body ready. Ice climbing requires endurance, grip strength, and core stability. Start training with pull-ups, squats, and grip exercises to build strength before your trip. Acclimate to the altitude. Ouray sits at 7,800 feet, so if you're coming from sea level, spend a day or two getting used to the elevation before hitting the ice. Book a guide. If it's your first time, a guide can teach you the basics, help with gear setup, and ensure your safety. Check out San Juan Mountain Guides or the Ouray Ice Park School. Having the right gear is crucial for ice climbing. Here's a breakdown of what you'll need. Helmet protects you from falling ice. Harness, essential for belaying and safety. Ice axes, tools, used to grip the ice and pull yourself up. Crampons, spiked attachments for your boots to grip the ice. Mountaineering boots, insulated, stiff-soled boots that work with crampons. Belay device and carabiners, needed. If you're climbing with a rope system, gloves, insulated but flexible gloves so you can grip tools properly. Clothing layers, you'll want a moisture-wicking base layer, an insulating mid-layer, and a waterproof outer layer. If you don't have all this gear, don't worry, Ouray has plenty of rental shops like Ouray Mountain Sports and San Juan Mountain Guides where you can rent everything you need for your climb. After a long day climbing ice, nothing beats warming up in a hot spring. I highly recommend staying at the Box Canyon Lodge and Hot Springs, which offers cozy mountain lodging and private outdoor hot springs right at the hotel. Imagine soaking in steaming natural mineral water while surrounded by snow-capped peaks. That's the perfect way to end an epic climbing day. If you want an even bigger hot springs experience, check out Ouray Hot Springs Pool, just a few minutes away. It's a great way to soothe those sore muscles and meet other climbers who are in town. So to wrap up, here's what you can expect on your first ice climbing trip to Ouray. It's challenging, but incredibly rewarding. You'll get an adrenaline rush like no other. You'll meet a great community of climbers who are happy to share tips and stories. Ouray is more than just climbing. Hot springs, great food, and cozy lodges make it a perfect winter getaway. If you're a beginner, take it slow, learn proper technique, and most importantly, have fun. Ice climbing is an adventure that will push you mentally and physically, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be hooked. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've ever been ice climbing in Ouray. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.